So Bacon Work on Demand app, it's a new shift side gigs app which you can give a try. Find jobs, work shifts, and get paid. Find work near you, get paid quick. Search near you, refer friends. So you can just find some easy side hustles and earn some additional cash. Bacon connects you with established companies to work on demand hourly jobs near you. Say goodbye to set schedules and hello to flexible work. With Bacon, you get to choose when and where you work for, and which jobs you take. And then you just create an account. So to create an account, you just need to enter your email and password, your address. It only works in US, I guess. And then you need to upload your ID and then your selfie. And while they verify your ID, you can't basically use the app. So there is some onboarding video which you
Hello, welcome to Bacon.
which you can watch
Cool maintenance.
and just
You
follow through
experience,
details.
a
You
food
can
handler's
see
permit.
like how to add your work experience here,
Business up to
and start basically your shift. So there are a bunch of other apps in this category like InstaWork, like apps like that. But this one is a new app, and it's a good idea to try new apps because when you try new apps, there's sometimes they have some nice deals and all of that. So yep, that's basically what it is. So give it a try.